Hello friends, this is Shobit Singhal and today I am back on my YouTube channel with a very strong and very relevant topic and discussion today. With me I have my good friend Akshay Agarwal from Delhi. He is a postgraduate in the field of psychology. He's awarded as the best psychologist student during his education. Also, he is the founder and director of the Psychology Solutions. So today it's very important to have him on this discussion because he knows about he from technical point of view he will be able to help us a lot understand this topic. So welcome Akshay. Firstly, thank you so much for joining me again. And
Thank you, Shobit.
yes, so Akshay, without wasting any time, I would first like to share with you and all every other that I'm a movie buff from my childhood. I have been into movies. My mother was a lot big movie buff, and from every single movie I see before lockdown, I don't miss any movie in theater. And to be very honest, Sushant Singh Rajput's all movies, Kai Poche, Chichore, Son Chidiya, I have watched every movie in theater and I loved those movies. I am someone who understands the acting, direction, technical aspects also. So to be very
Right.
honest, what happened, I didn't talk about it on my channels, but I felt like, it felt like a personal loss. And now that everyone is, because nobody is calm in this world, everyone is posting every day relevant, irrelevant things. So I thought that let's make a practical video which can help our viewers.
Right.
So first, I would like to understand, Akshay, that uh, I understand stress, mental health, depression. I'm not, as a common citizen, I know, but very simple, straightforward question: what leads to suicide? If I'm in tension,
Right.
what is the signs of like, okay, I want to end my life. Why a person leads to such a drastic decision? I would like to know from you from psychology point of view. Over to
Right.
you.
So thank you, Shobit. Actually, you've asked a
Mhm.
very valid question, and this question,
Mhm.
I guess, is the need of the hour, not just for you, not just for me, but for everybody. Because obviously, Sushant Singh Rajput ne jo step liya hai, that is also a big thing which has happened in the
Mhm.
whole nation, and everybody is talking about it. So
Mhm.
you've asked a very valid question: what actually causes suicide? What actually
Mhm.
goes in the head of a person that the person is left with no other option?
Mhm.
Probably a fancy life, a lot of money, fame, good family, good husband, good wife. Nothing can stop him from committing that action. What actually leads? So
Correct.
there are a lot of symptoms, a lot of things which actually a person undergoes first, and then he or she takes the step of committing suicide. So there are a few of them. I would want to discuss it with you right away. I would want to. I have figured out till now nine main reasons. So I'll tell you in the descending order. Descending as in the topmost reason. I'll speak to you the first reason. So first reason is the depression or any mental disorder. So by depression, what I mean is, so depression is very different from stress and anxiety. So
Okay.
we can say
Yes.
that prolonged stress or prolonged anxiety can be converted to depression, but
Okay.
depression is purely a clinical term. Clinical as in it's a
Okay.
well-defined term
Mhm.
by a lot of associations worldwide, and they
Mhm.
clearly have a clear definition of depression. A lot of
Okay.
people use it interchangeably with stress,
Yeah.
anxiety, and depression.
Yeah.
So, for example, I've lost my pen. I'm feeling depressed. So I've
Correct.
not got my salary of the month. I'm
Correct.
feeling depressed. So that's not
Yes.
the correct statement. So
Correct.
I might be feeling anxious. I might be feeling
Mhm.
nervous. I might be feeling stressed. But am I depressed? Am I allowed to say that? No. Until and unless
Mhm.
a psychologist or any well-authorized person claims that he or she is depressed. So
Mhm.
depression or any mental illness is one of the strongest reason for anybody committing
Mhm.
suicide, and it has been shown in various
Mhm.
researches that
Mhm.
the maximum suicides which has happened, most
Mhm.
of the people were actually undergoing depression, and hence they took this step. Second, what I
Correct.
want to tell you is most of the people, when they commit suicide, they are under the influence of something. Either it could
Mhm.
be a drug or substance. Also, they might
Mhm.
be under a lack of sleep. Lack of sleep means they have not
Mhm.
taken proper sleep for from 3 to 4 days, and their mental conditioning is not correct. So
Okay.
when somebody is not having a rational thought process, it is
Correct.
more
Correct.
likely that the thought of suicide is aggravated,
Mhm.
and the person might lead to commit such an action.
Mhm. Okay. Okay.
Third reason is traumatic experiences in somebody's life. So by
Okay.
traumatic experience, what I mean here is that somebody might have faced or experienced something very big in their life, which has
Mhm.
impacted them to a great extent. For example,
Okay.
loss of someone very close to their heart, losing a job, losing a relationship, losing a valuable asset. It could be anything, but it depends upon the person how serious he or she was for that thing or for that person. So there is also a term known as PTSD. It stands
Okay.
for
Post.
post. Yeah, you want to say it?
Yeah, post dramatic stress. Post
So,
six. Yeah.
post-traumatic stress disorder. So, which
Yes,
means
correct.
that after a trauma, the stress has been so constant that the person is not able to come out of it. So,
Correct,
if
correct,
this also stays for a very long time, it actually troubles the person from inside. So, a
correct,
rational
correct.
human being cannot understand because it's not visible. So,
Correct, correct.
a person might be celebrating, dancing, partying, but that person still might be suffering from PTSD, and nobody will ever get to know until and unless that person itself speak it out to somebody else.
Correct, correct.
Then fourth reason, what I think is what I a lot of articles also says it, and a lot of researchers also prove is that a loss or any fear of loss.
Correct.
This means that a constant fear of loss, that I might lose a job, I might lose a social position, I might lose in elections, I might lose an exam, I might fail. So as you rightly said in the beginning, that the people, a lot of students are committing suicide, a lot of farmers are committing suicide.
Correct, correct.
So why are they doing so? Because they have a fear of loss, that the government might put them into jail, or a student is committing suicide because they have a fear of failing into the examination. So that fear is actually a big thing. It's actually a big thing. Right now, I'm only talking about causes, but at the later end of this video, we'll also talk about how to prevent it
Yes,
and how to actually
correct,
combat suicide.
correct, correct.
And fifth, what I say is hopelessness. Hopelessness is actually a feeling where it is lack of positivity, lack of optimism, or lack of happiness in life. So this also
Correct,
leads to a hollow and a very shallow life.
correct, correct.
Though everything is available, but the fun is missing, the satisfaction is missing, the sincerity is missing. So people who are hopeless in life, who doesn't have any hope about the future, who does not carry any excitement in their body, they actually end up taking such decisions. Then next, I want to talk about is prolonged illness. Prolonged illness means it can be a simple problem, back pain, asthma, cancer, AIDS, or any problem which may or
Correct,
may not
correct.
be curable. But then it stays with a person for a very long time, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, and the person is not able to get rid of it. So in such cases, what people do, they try to get rid of this problem by getting rid of their life itself.
Correct,
They end up taking such a big decision that they're so frustrated and they so much want to get out of this problem that they end up taking their lives. Then is some people have this tendency, seventh reason which I want to tell you is that some people have the tendency of feeling themselves to be a burden on somebody else,
correct.
especially these people who are having any illness, or the people who have been talked very negatively. The people around them speak very negative about them, that you are a burden on this earth,
Yeah,
you're a
yeah,
burden to you're like a parasite to the termite to a
yeah.
family. So these people, see, nobody wants to be listening to such negativities about them.
Correct.
So they want that if I am such a burden in everybody's life, if I am such a pain in my family's life, if I am such a liability to this company or something like that. So instead of reaching out to them, that person wants to find an escape by giving away their life. Then
Exactly.
eighth point is what I want to say is so this is known as social isolation, or what we can say is solitary confinement. So
Okay.
the worst punishment which can ever be given to anybody on this face of earth is not the physical torture but the mental torture, by putting that person into a solitary confinement. Solitary means putting that person alone for years
Alone.
and years.
Yes.
So that actually causes a lot of frustration, stress, and problem inside the person's head, and the person not able to get rid of it, and as a result that person ends up taking his life, because this person believes that giving life is easy rather than sustaining to this time period.
Exactly.
Ninth, last but not the least, this is again very important, though the suicidal cases are less under this topic, but under this term, but still they are a lot. It's like act of aggression. Act of aggression here means that some people have the tendency of showing, oh, if you don't give this to me, I'll commit suicide. If you don't do this for me, I'll commit suicide. So in sometimes in order to prove themselves, in sometimes in act of anger, sometimes in the heat of the moment, these people commit suicide. So they take permanent decisions based on temporary problems
Correct.
which can be solved within a day or
Correct.
two,
Correct.
are so small in nature, but they end up taking big decisions. So
Okay.
I have studied these 9 points, and I feel
Mhm.
that somewhere down the line we can identify ourselves that we are facing symptoms that we might commit suicide, or if we see these symptoms around people around us, then we should understand that these people might commit suicide. So I
Correct.
hope that answers your question, Shobit.
That's very well explained, Akshay. I would say that everything, like I never thought of these things. Very good, very well explained. Akshay, one important point wanted to discuss that from the childhood, because we are from middle class families, it's been told that money is the root cause of all evil.
Mm.
Don't be money minded. And some people, and the rich people or who are successful people, they say lack of money is a big problem. So it's all
Right.
contradicting thought. So again, as I was researching in my in my research, that the highest number of suicides is done by a category of people in this country is farmers. Then it
Oh,
comes students, and then it's like other people. So
right.
farmers have, like less money, of course. And if you talk about CEOs, like a few months ago, Mr. Siddhartha, the head of CCD, Cafe Coffee Day, and Cafe Coffee Day profits were going very well, everything was well, but still he committed suicide. So a person who has Sushant, of course, financially he was very secure, I'm sure. So financially stable people also, financially unstable people also, they are committing suicide. So two questions: one, is money a factor of financial issues, or money is also is a factor in suicide? Also, success or people knowing you, people not knowing you, is that also a factor? These two factors can be a cause of suicide or not? What do you think?
So first question was, can money be a factor or not? Or
Yes.
second, I'm sorry, I missed the question.
Yeah,
What is
second is the success, the fame, the how many people know me, do people
okay?
approve of me, like not the
Social
family members, social, like
social
a social,
validation.
especially when you are famous, when you are doing a public figure job, for example, being an actor, being an influencer. So how
Right.
many people know you? For example, if you're a YouTuber, how many people watch my videos? That video
Right.
got this many views, I didn't got. Is that self-worth? Money and self-worth, is these two
Right.
are can be a factor or not?
Right. I'll tell you, Shobit. So you
Uh-huh.
asked a very valid question that sometimes you
Mhm.
believe that money is a major factor. Then why celebrities are committing suicide? So I tell you that money is nowhere a factor. The factor is
Okay.
fear. The factor is
Okay.
fear. As we discussed, the one of the points was loss or a fear of loss.
Okay.
So
Okay.
that is the factor. Or worry, constant worry, depression,
Mm-hmm.
constant
Mm-hmm.
tension is the problem. So if
Mm-hmm.
so for a farmer, let's say for them maybe earning 50,000 rupees or 1 lakh rupees might be a big thing. But on the
Mm-hmm.
other hand, for a celebrity or CEOs, what we are talking about, let's not
Mm-hmm.
talk names here, but understand
Yeah.
there
Yeah.
have
Yeah.
been a lot of celebrities
Mm-hmm.
throughout the world who have been
Mm-hmm.
committing suicide. So they never had money problem. So it's
Yeah.
basically fear which is predominant. And now
Correct.
fear can be of anything. Fear
Mm-hmm.
can be of money, fear can be of
Mm-hmm.
position, fear can be
Mm-hmm.
of fame, fear can
Mm-hmm.
be of even losing a job. And
Yeah. Yeah.
let's not, when we talk about students, so for
Mm-hmm.
somebody who is a student,
Mm-hmm.
for them money is not even a concern. For them
Yeah. Yeah.
money is not even a
It's
matter.
about
For them,
proving to their parents and society, getting good marks. Yes. Correct.
exactly.
Understood.
For them,
Yeah.
marks comes as a more
Mm-hmm.
important option in their life. So I
Yeah.
guess
Yeah.
it's the predominant feeling is the
Mm-hmm.
insecurity and fear. Now
Mm-hmm.
it might be related to anything else on this earth. So if
Correct.
that
Correct.
is addressed well, so there are two ways of addressing it. One, it can be done by self. Most of the people do it. Other is reaching out to a professional and speaking with that person that I am
Mm-hmm.
constantly worried by this fear. How do I
Mm-hmm.
actually come out with it? So professional might help you deal with it.
Correct, correct.
Yeah,
Exactly. Yeah, so this point also, like 1 minute I want to spend on this,
yeah,
that every single person on WhatsApp groups, Facebook, Instagram, talk to me, call me, and I personally do not believe that, because if
right,
someone calls me that I'm depressed, I will straight away say, man up, go have some drinks and start working. I will never be able to
right,
understand what the person is going through, because I'm not a psychologist. I'm not a
right,
professional basically. So,
right.
do you think talking to anyone is a good thing, or person should always go to a professional when they're genuinely in a state of depression? What do you think?
So, Shobit, that's a good question. I would say,
Mhm,
ki,
mhm,
I see a lot of status. Absolutely, absolutely. I guess
mhm,
most of my friends have put in a status like, if you don't find anybody else, just come and speak to me. My
mhm,
doors are always open. These
mhm.
status are actually taking up the internet spaces.
Yeah, yeah.
But I'll tell you a hypocrite truth here. I'm not blaming anybody, and I
Mhm,
duly respect all those people who actually had
mhm,
the courage of coming out and
mhm.
putting such status. But I have
Sure.
also seen similar people putting similar statuses 3 months back or 4 months back, saying that stay away from negative people. Don't talk to people who suck your energy. And obviously,
Uh,
somebody who's depressed and obviously somebody who is not feeling well will come out to you and talk about negative things because they are going through that. So,
of
will
course.
still
Yeah,
people
yeah.
be comfortable talking to it?
Mm,
I don't
mm.
think so. I may
Yeah,
be wrong. I may be wrong on
yeah,
this. I'm not
yeah.
saying I'm totally true, but I have seen people showing up statuses and that it is better to live alone rather than staying with negative people. So I've
Mm,
seen such quotations on the similar people's post just 3 4 months back, and now when I see that they are opening their arms and windows and
mm.
doors to welcome people from all the parts of the world, I don't think so that mentally and physically they would be ready. It's easy to be
Correct,
said.
correct.
Recently, an incident has happened, so it's always all there in the
Mm.
mind and heart of the
Yeah, yeah,
people.
correct,
As
correct.
soon something else will come up, it all will vanish.
Yeah,
Right?
and
It's the heat.
yeah,
Yeah,
and
sorry.
I've also seen that people when they genuinely come out of any, like, I feel this, I feel that, we do not empathize with it. Like, we
Right.
do not we try to first. I blame myself also in this, that, whenever someone comes with your problem with me, I always start motivating them, start
Hmm.
reading a book, go out, meet friends. But for
Right.
example, when you see that movie Highway or Dear Zindagi of Alia, but these two movies, it shows
Right.
that the depression is not about the surroundings, it's about what happened with her in her childhood. It's so deep.
Absolutely.
I will never be able
Absolutely.
to, like, as a friend, as a boyfriend, as a husband, I might not able to, get to that depression, like, level of the thinking of the person. But a
Absolutely.
psychologist, a shrink can get into those deep, because they will ask, they are trained for that. They ask some
Absolutely.
questions. So that's why I personally think that a professional's help is always needed. In India, is a very stigma, going to a psychologist. I'm seeing a shrink. It's a bad way to say that, right?
Absolutely.
In
Absolutely.
America, it's a big industry. I've done my research. In America, it's a like every single person has a counselor, marriage counselor, students. In India,
Right.
we get scared, or we don't even tell people that, okay, I'm
That,
seeing a shrink.
right.
What
Right.
do you think about that? Do you think
So
it's
absolutely, Shobit, you're almost there, and we are on the same page. Like
Mhm.
India as a country is still developing to
Correct?
reach out that space and to
Hmm.
eradicate that stigma, so that
Hmm.
people can actually understand the value of reaching out
Hmm.
to a counselor,
Yeah,
rather
yeah.
than having a fancy personal assistant, having a fancy car. We should rather have a good psychologist around us
Correct,
who is a
correct,
life coach to us. So
correct, correct.
definitely, I would recommend that a person who must be watching this video, that if he or she feels to reach out to somebody, so is it a better option to reach out to a friend or a professional help? Any day it's better to reach out to a professional help. But
Hmm.
still, if you feel that there is a stigma and
Hmm.
you are not satisfied enough, you're
Hmm.
not content enough
Hmm.
to reach out to a psychologist, but still talk to a friend, because
Exactly.
keeping it with yourself
Yeah, yeah.
is going to
Correct.
act as a termite and it will keep on shallowing you from inside. Rather,
Hmm.
it's better to speak to anybody
Hmm.
initially.
Hmm.
It's better to put it across, but in the end I would recommend that it is
Yes.
totally,
Hmm.
as you rightly mentioned, that the counselor, psychologist, or a
Hmm.
psychiatrist or any
Hmm.
mental health professional is
Hmm.
trained to deal with such kind of cases, and they
Correct,
know
correct.
how to give the results in the best possible time. On the other hand,
Hmm.
what relatives, friends,
Hmm.
they
Hmm.
do things in their best of the capacity. They start
Correct,
recommending, they start
correct,
suggesting, they start
correct,
giving
correct.
solution on their basis. So,
Hmm.
but a counselor or a psychologist will never give the solution. They will
Hmm.
enable the other person to find the solution themselves. So there is a
Correct, correct.
huge difference in the approach of a
Hmm.
professional and in a friend. But I
Yeah.
guess I leave the option to the person who wants to reach
Hmm.
out to somebody. It is
Hmm.
highly recommended to reach out to a professional, and the money spent there is totally worth it. We spend so
Hmm.
much money on alcohol, on partying, on such petty things in life, but things what actually matters, we are still refraining ourselves to make that
Correct.
expenditure there.
Correct, correct. So Akshay, last thoughts. If three major suggestions, not too many, three major suggestions to any person who's feeling low, stressed, any of those states. Three major suggestions. What would you give?
So, So you asked me that if a person who is feeling low, how that
Yeah.
person can actually, if a person is feeling suicidal, I would say,
Yeah.
let's
Okay.
stick to
Yes.
the
Yes. Yes. Of course. Yes.
suicidal, then
Mm-hmm.
and if person is having that tendency, the
Mm-hmm.
first and the foremost thing which is highly recommended is go and speak to a professional. It's
Okay.
worth it. It's worth it, right?
Mm-hmm.
So instead of taking your life and walking away with it, it's always better to give it a try. And obviously, even after if you don't like the professional help, you are free to take the decision. But give yourself a chance. God has made you a beautiful human being.
Mm-hmm.
God might have made you a insect, a dog, or a cat, or a tree, or anything,
Mm-hmm.
but God has chosen to make you a human being. So make
Correct.
the worth out of it and understand that this is a life which can be utilized to such a great extent. That's one.
Correct. Correct.
Second, I would say that uh, involve yourself into those activities which you
Mm-hmm.
have always loved to do in the past. So
Correct.
though
Correct.
it's hard to understand, motivate
Mm-hmm.
yourself, get that energy, because
Mm-hmm.
what I'll tell you, the secret that why actually people commit suicide, see, nobody wants to die that death. It's even hard to commit suicide, right? It's very hard to take that decision of taking away your life. So it's a matter of loop. Matter of loop means there is a thought, a loop of thoughts in the head of somebody that I am bad, I am not going to get enough money,
Mm-hmm.
no, nobody will marry
Mm-hmm.
me, I'm fat, I'm ugly, I'm shabby, nobody likes me, nobody loves me. So there is a loop in the head, and as a result of that loop, that person sinks into it and takes that decision. So it so what people are actually trained on that how to stop anybody from committing suicide is to break that loop. And the person who is already feeling so, how you can automatically break your own loop is by bringing yourself out of that thought process. You have to just take one small action by changing your thoughts and doing engaging it into something which you have always liked. So
Mm-hmm.
that
Which makes us happy, basically, or
absolutely.
yeah, passionate things. Yeah, I got it.
Absolutely, it can be anything for anybody. So
Yeah.
for
Yeah.
me, it could be playing badminton. For Shobit, it can be reading. For
Yeah. Yeah.
our
Yeah.
friend Anil, it can be playing cricket. It could be
Yeah. Yeah.
anything.
Yeah.
And third thing, which is very close to my heart, is my dear friends, go back to your roots of spirituality or any religious practice. I don't want to name any practice or spirituality here.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Believe and have faith in that Almighty, right? And go back to any of the practices which you believe in. You might be Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, or following any of the religions in this world.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Go and follow that, because when you start practicing spirituality, it gives birth to faith. And the person
Correct.
who has faith in the supernatural power is
Mm-hmm.
actually motivated to live a life of fulfillment and want to
Yeah.
live more so that that person can deliver more to the society. So for
Yeah.
that person who is really spiritually inclined, for him for him or her, their own pain actually looks really small, and they want to actually help the society by catering to the bigger needs. And as a result, your own problems looks really small in front of the bigger problems when you have faith. So it's totally
Mm-hmm.
personal. A lot of people may agree to
Yeah.
it or may not
Yeah.
agree to it, but I definitely first recommend take professional help. Second, do whatever you love to do, actually whatever
Mm-hmm.
makes you happy. And third,
Mm-hmm.
go back to your roots, my dear friends. Go back
Mm-hmm.
to your spiritual or religious practices. It will actually enable you to understand your purpose of life, your fulfillment, your satisfaction level, and as a result, you'll live a designed life, not a
Yeah.
default life.
Yeah,
Yeah.
great, awesome. Akshay, this was very helpful and very enlightening. Thank you so much for doing this. And I request everyone to, not asking you to make my views count very high, very honestly. I genuinely feel this should be shared because what Akshay shared today are very practical advices. I never thought of these things. I never thought of going to spirituality when I'm depressed, to be very honest. 2 years ago, I was in a little state of lowness because I was financially very good. I took solace in the books and trainers and all that. But I never thought that okay, I should pray also. I should go to temple or I should remember my mother. I never thought of that. But this is actually a very good advice. So please share this video with your friends, with your family. It will very helpful to them. Thank you so much, Akshay. Any last thoughts before we leave?
I guess thanks to you, Shobit, for bringing such a topic at this
Hmm.
moment. And I guess
Yeah,
probably an incident has happened which has made us all introspect and
correct,
go
correct.
deep within
Hmm.
us, and that has actually shaken us up, everybody.
Correct,
So
correct.
now we are making such videos, but I guess these topics should be well discussed in
Yes,
every
yes.
house. I remember watching Akshay Kumar's video. It was really inspiring that I have seen parents in houses talking about everything on this earth. They will talk about politics. They will talk about Hindu
Correct,
Muslim.
correct.
They will talk about COVID. They will talk about
Mm-hmm.
lockdown. They will talk
Mm-hmm.
about success. They will talk
Mm-hmm.
about other actors. But they are not willing to talk about how was your day. They are not willing to
Exactly.
talk about the
Exactly.
personal
Mm.
lives of everybody. So
Correct,
please,
correct.
my dear family members, please make
Mm-hmm.
out time to speak to your family members and
Mm-hmm.
ask about their personal problems and achievements so that you feel
Exactly.
connected. And if you are not doing so, later
Mm-hmm.
on, God forbid, it should never ever happen with everybody. But
Mm-hmm.
unfortunately, if anything such any such bad thing happens, we all regret that why did we not speak to the other person. So
Exactly.
instead of
Yeah.
falling into that regret, start speaking out, and speaking really helps. Yeah, that was it.
Thank you, Akshay, and hope to make such more videos with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shobit.
Bye.